what to feed your bird, especially if it's a citizen, a parrot. We start out with oranges here, apples, melons, two kinds, little carrot, some grapes. Over here, that's baby food, sweet potato or yams. She loves it. The parrot that's going to be eating this just loves it. She'll eat that all up. And here's the fresh version of the sweet potato. This is all natural, by the way. The baby food here, that's all natural, no additives, just plain sweet potatoes with enough water for processing. This is the cooked sweet potato. And over here we have her medley of peas, carrots, and collard greens. You can feed spinach. It's just that you're not supposed to feed a lot of it. But once or twice a week in amounts like that, perfectly fine for a bird. Don't believe the rumors that it's not. Over here is baby food mango. She doesn't care for it that much, but I put it out anyway because it took her a year to try a carrot. Just keep persisting. And then, of course, we have a regular base diet of pellets. I prefer the non-colored. She prefers the colored. So that is what you feed your parrot.